of the front cover. The screw with the screw. Remove the screw. Number tay ready now. Number. Later you go take a bowl battery here. Okay, going. Okay. Bearing how's it? Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 Lupa. Con này.
Hi guys, I'm Kelvin from Hook.sg. So due to the COVID-19 situation, all the aircon servicing is put to a temporary halt. Only the essential services like the service repair is allowed to continue. So for those who are at home and facing some cooling issue with your aircon, today I'm going to show you how to strip down your Daikin fan coil model by removing the drain pan and the blower for thorough cleaning. So right down on the description is a detail of models that is applicable that what I'm going to show you. So let's go ahead. So after the front panel is removed, to remove only the blower, remove these two screws and then unhook here. There's one screw that you have to remove here also. You can't see it, but later I will zoom it in for you. Okay, that should loosen the whole piece. And then plug this out here over on top. You may use the minus to help it scoot out. This will let it bring the motor out easier, and then just give a slight pull to the left. And then the whole thing will be able to remove. So this is how you access to the blower. Okay, so to access to the drain pan, you need to remove the screw over here. The screw over here. One screw over here, so that this is attached to the PCB board, and one screw right inside. So this will allow you to remove the drain pan. Just pull it down, comes out easily, and you'll be able to access the drain pan. So to fully remove the drain pan, there's a few things that we will need to do. We will need to remove the both swing motor, okay, and then we'll be able, and then there is this is the, let me see, where's the, yeah, this one, this part, okay, this part, there's a screw here. This is tightened to the drain hose, so if you unscrew this will come up. But to remove the swing motor, I'll do it in another video if you want it. But for now, I think we can access to the whole drain pan for cleaning. That will be manual cleaning, yes. You can't bring it to the toilet to wash it. Okay, and you will be able to access everything here down for cleaning. Okay, so since we have access to, since we have taken out the drain pan, let's put the blower back first, okay? So you can see that at the end of the blower, there's some grease. So if you have grease, you can grease it so that do some maintenance over it. Then inside here, there will also have some grease. Yeah, you can pluck it out and put some grease in. Alright, so let's fix it back. The blower first. So same thing, pull it out. Put it in, and then make sure that the catch here sits nicely in, okay, and then you click it back down. So this will put in place the things. Let's screw it back. This is harder to access, so let's screw this in. Okay. Then done for this part. So putting back the blower, okay, just make sure that the catch here goes in here, okay, slant it down this way and go in. You may plug up the control board for easier fix back. Putting back the front panel, just slot it in. Just here the clips out. You're ready to go. Open it up and put back the remaining 2 screws. Okay, and you're all done. So that's the end of the tutorial. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll be here to help you.
Guys, we're going to talk about the normal issues that we have here. Is the blower wheel continually runs, so it makes static electricity, and so it will actually get a tad dirty. And so in that case, we don't recommend the factory to clean it in place because it could get all over the wall or the wood or what have you that you have. So we recommend removing this. So the blower removal, you will need to actually, it does have a set screw, so we need to remove that. You just rotate this blade until you actually see a set screw on the right side. You're just going to give it a good 1 turn, and it should actually remove off of that there. And then you're going to have 1 screw here that we need to remove. Set screw removed on the right side, and the 1 screw removed on the left side. This will lift up straight up, and you want to kind of just twist this just a tad to get it out of that groove right here. And this is your left side bearing. It actually goes in just like this, and then you should be able to remove this blower wheel straight out. Make sure there's no damage, and it goes back in the same way that you removed it. So cleaning this, we want a mild detergent. We do not want a triple D or anything with an alkaline base. It will kill the residue that we do have on this. So just like a simple green would just be fine, or a mild detergent. That will get that done.